In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a few minutes talking about the receives function in Excel, which is a great function because it will return the amount that you receive on an investment at maturity. So use this function to equals received, open parentheses, and the first argument is the settlement date. So what date are you purchasing this security? In this example, it is July 2025. Maturity. So when is security maturing? Well, it is maturing on January 1st, 2026. Investment, so how much is being invested? In this example, it is $10,000. And the discount rate, which is also the rate of return, is 4.5%. No, 4.5% is an annualized rate of return. And then basis, it's an optional argument, which you can tell that by how it is in brackets, but to show you what it is, you can tweak the dates that impact how the rate is used in this calculation. I'm now going to use the last argument, so backspace, close parentheses. And as you can see, if I invest $10,000 on July 2025, matures January 2026 at a 4.5% rate, I will have a total of $10,230 that I get back, which is effectively $230 of return. So that's it. I hope you found this super helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.